Hey guys, in 2023 that I said with my new video, my last video, not my mom, that was my mom, that last video in 2023, that I said I want to buy a Stitch teddy bear, that I said like and subscribe. I want to, if you want to buy me, if I want to buy a Stitch teddy bear. Yes, that was I said, and I got it. That was in 2023, and this is in 2024 that I buy. Now it's 2025. Yes, cute. Nah.
Wah.
Ayaw! Annoying! So annoying! My uncle is annoying. Yes. Yes. My uncle is annoying. Yes. Then now I buy it. Now I buy in Piluan in Philippines. Yes. I'm from Philippines, but I stay in Philippines, Leyte, in San Francisco. Yes, and Bongbong. Yes, and he's cute. And who is this little guy? Popsicle. It's Popsicle. Popsicle. Yeah. So that's my last video in 2023 that I say I want to buy a Stitch teddy bear. Now I did buy it. So cute. So cute. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching with my talking about my Stitch. Yeah. Yeah. I want more. This is only one. It's only one. Yeah, this is the one. Only one. Bye.